Bon dia, Mike here. So today I want to talk to you about the future of big air kite surfing. So today I want to talk to you about the future of big air kite surfing. Where is it going to go? But first, let's look at where we are now. Big air is probably the sickest discipline in kiting. We have the two biggest kiteboarding competitions in the world, which attract the biggest fan turnout. When there are two riders at the beach, one doing 5-meter handle passes and the other doing 10-meter kite loops, we all know who's getting all the oohs and ahs. We've seen kites evolve to a point where we can jump higher and loop lower than ever before. We're getting closer and closer to true flight. I started big air kite surfing in Cape Town because I saw Red Bull King of the Air, and I think there are so many of us big air riders who've been inspired to take to the skies after seeing our heroes pushing the limits of the sport, pulling crazy tricks like Megaloop, late back roll and boogie loops. It's insane to think that some of us shape our entire lives around big air kite surfing. What's even more insane is that all it took for big air to reach this point is one competition. Let that sink in. One competition, which runs for 2 days, only once a year. Wow. There are only 2 major competitions every year, giving spots to 34 riders. But there aren't only 34 riders anymore. Now we have hundreds of big air riders all over the world, all capable of competing at that level. We've outgrown our home, so we're gonna build a new one. In fact, we're not gonna just build a home, we're gonna build a kingdom. Our dream is to run a big air kite league world tour. We've already started, with our first event taking place in Cape Town every year. We want to run 6 big air events every year in major big air destinations. Not only do we want to run these comps, but we want riders to make a living from these comps. And it all starts right here, right now, with you. If you believe in this vision, in this dream, and you want to help make this dream a reality, then I want to ask you to show your support. We want to kick off the world tour, but COVID makes that impossible right now. So instead, we're bringing you a big air video competition. You, yes you can enter the competition and you can win epic prizes from lure boards, core kiteboarding and ride engine. We want you to help make this dream a reality. You see this shirt? This is the Big Air Kite League supporter tee. And when you purchase this shirt, 100% of the profits go to the prize purse for the Big Air video competition. We want to raise 1,000 euros, so please be sure to show your support and get it now at bigairkite.com. You'll find the link down below. Actually, when you purchase anything on bigairkite.com, 5% of your purchases go to running Big Air Kite League events. We envision a future where big air kiters can make a living off of their sport. And that future starts now.